I saw Sabrina posting about this hackathon on Instagram. I've never done anything like it, so I thought I'm going to try it this time. My plan was 48 hours, no sleep, just coffee, and just try and pull the full app together, just in 48 hours straight away. The goal was to build a security scanner for people that vibe code. And someone actually said that it helped them find more issues than Lovable, ChatGPT, and Claude all together. All right, so here's how it happened. I'm super curious to ask, what do you guys think about security? In terms of AI, everyone's just vibe coding, but they don't necessarily understand the implications of being secure when you actually push your app online.
Usually security concerns are overblown when you're a tiny startup. Like, no one cares about you is actually the reality. No one knows you exist. No one cares about you. No one is going to bother. Unless you go viral on Twitter. If you go viral on Twitter, then yes, everybody's going to try to hack you. And like the things you can do to make it secure are not actually like that hard. Like you could budget like $1,000 for someone to just like look over your app and like help fix things around making sure your database is secure, making sure you've hooked up authentication tools probably.
And I can add to that too, as far as you vibe coding stuff and actually pushing it to market, is do a full audit of my source code, make sure everything is safe and secure. And then if you really are going crazy, you're getting a lot of users and you feel like, man, I still feel exposed, like Sabina said, just hire somebody, pay them a couple $100 to go through it.
And they're right, it should be easy. So instead of paying thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars, I'll build a free tool that just checks everything in like 10 seconds. All right, so this is a security scanner. You can paste in any URL and it will do a security scan on the full website. You'll get a grade. It takes a few seconds to do the full scan. So I'm just going to paste in a URL here. I'm going to click scan. As you can see, it started to scan the actual website and we get a grade. So we got an A for this one. And then it has a category breakdown and you get fixes for every single thing. And you can improve every single thing, every aspect your website is missing. And also, in addition to this, if you don't want to go through every single one of them, so you can see you just copy these and you just paste them into your AI to fix them. If you don't want to go through all of them, all the way at the bottom, there's a full security report that you can just copy and give this to your AI, whatever you're using. Claude code or anti-gravity or another model, and it should help you fix your actual issues and security risk you've got. There's also actually people that have been using it from the actual community, and this is what they were saying, so they're pretty much like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Oh yeah, and also we got live mode and dark mode. So the competition started around 8 p.m. I think, in my time, yeah.
Start your project now. It's after 10, as we said. And then we will be checking the top 10, of course.
I already had 2 espressos. I only had 2 left, and it was like 48 hours left, so I had to manage those 2. Actually, it took me an hour and a half for the front end and like 3.5 hours for the actual backend. So then all I had to do is like get the VPS and actually have the app work online so other people could use it. So for that I had to actually buy the VPS, and when I tried doing that, my card kept on getting blocked from the bank because the server provider was in another country. So I had to call my bank, I had to talk to support. Like it was pretty funny. It was like almost 2 a.m. So yeah, calling, like I remember talking to the guy at the bank, and he was calling me at this hour. It's pretty funny. Yeah, so then I pretty much finished in like 5 hours, got the VPS, got everything going. Then I just spent the next day just finishing the UI touches. Had a lot of stuff to like tinker to actually make it perfect, to be pixel perfect. And the hardest part that this project had for me was actually censoring a div. It was about an hour, close to an hour, the classic, right? But honestly, like I just had so many comments from people telling it helped them, and like every single comment just made me so happy. So yeah, that actually made it all worth it. So if you want to use it, I'm going to leave a link in the description, and it's completely free for you to use. Happy vibe coding and have an amazing day.